Today we'll be I'm gonna record this for YouTube. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Dylan Denise. Born on September 1st of 2005. Today we're gonna start my LB7 Duramax, 2001.
Wait.
Let's see if she starts.
Cut to the after part.
Hold up.
You didn't even tell them what we did to the truck.
We straight piped it.
Whoa, it's gonna break.
Besides the rattling, it sounds good.
The motor sounds good, huh? Hey, do you realize it doesn't shake as much?
Does it not?
It doesn't.
Oh, really? Want me to jack it up?
Nah, Daddy's got it. Hey, bitch. I said stop.
Tight under there.
You gotta fucking jacket, bitch.
What motor mount?
Actually, my motor mounts are brand new.
I think it's gonna be faster. They're not gonna dump this one. You can't be in the frame, man. You got gas, nigga. You don't know how to race or what? Hella room.
Oh, off-roading.
It's so
man, that's
fucking
not
three other niggas in here.
Force it.
Turn the flash on. I'll get out.
So
pues, hermano pues.
Whoa, there's a wire.
should I do a burnout by him?
Yeah, do it in the dirt. Let's see if it'll spin here.
Easy.
In the dirt. Just don't turn. Until I get out. Hey, tires! Hold up pues. You gotta roll out the window and get them here. Send it! Send it! There's a big ass hole. Actually, no, I wouldn't. Would it? It's all the way up there, though. It's like shit right here. There's a big ass hole up there. It's probably smoother than right there. There's all the bumps.
I should go up there.
Damn, bitch!
Nah.
You'll get stuck. Just keep going straight. You can go out up there. Ooh, that should've been dirty.
Oh, right here's a hole or what?
No, there's like a big ass sump. All the way up there. After that pump right there, there's a big ass hole.
Is it still open? Where we just go right at?
Yeah. You know there's a hole right here? Yeah, we'll just slow down. Just go up this canal and then go down.
Let's go in it.
There's water. Let's go in that bitch. Let's go. I'll pull you out. No, wrong way, nigga. West. Oh, west. We're supposed to go west. Fuck.
Watch your sign, make sure I'm right.
Who the fuck that drug dealer that sold you dirt in your crack? That's some fake ass crack. He sold you.
That was shitty.
Here, next episode of Billet Boys. You're right here. We just straight piped the boys. Diesel, LY, duramax at my house. And now we're gonna hear out sounds.
You weren't even there for.
It's at my house, all right?
We did all the work. I don't even know much about cars, but I was getting down.
Sir, dirty.
What up, what?
Push it down way first. It's dirt, bro. It's dirt on the road.
It's dirt, yeah. It's dirt.
You busted a line.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Ah, fuck.
Turn it up.
You turn it up.
Turn it up. Oh, I look like a 10 minute.
Hop in the bed, hop in the bed, hop in the bed.
Hop in the bed, wait.
No, it's too cold.
Justin, you hop in the bed. It's too many people in here.
Let's just go.
Oh, fuck, I blew a coolant hose.
This bitch is gonna blow. Fuck, there's money to be made tomorrow, too. I'll talk that he can run without a coolant hose.
Fuck no.
My dad will change it for you right now for like $50, $100. 50
Whoa, low coolant. It's leaking.
Oh, she's not smoking anymore. You're good, buddy.
Can't you just add more coolant?
It leaks, buddy. Go right here on the right, Send it right here. Floor that bitch.
No, don't listen to him. He's
Bro, I'm not trying to get it all hot.
Clap down, ass.
what we did. We're vlogging this whole
I blame Jared
experience.
Gutierrez.
Jared.
No, Jared Gutierrez, I blame.
Why do you blame Jared Gutierrez?
I don't know.
Because your pants are fucking cut. They call you boot cut.
Oil, that's water.
Coolant, huh?
Meant to go over the world.
We did you put water in there?
What'd you do? Overheat it or what?
I think. And then all the oil that my freaking dipstick was open.
Would the oil come out of there if it was like open?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what it came.
Yeah, it was.
So you blew a line. Where's it leaking from?
I don't know. Look.
Somewhere back
The
there.
freaking oil thing was sitting there like this.
Tell him what
Like
happened.
that. It's gonna leak oil, huh? The way it
This
is.
thing's collapsed.
No.
It won't leak oil
Straight
like that?
piped it.
Bro, wants to say everything's cool.
Everything we
No, I'm saying
did
that's
didn't
what
help
felt
the
weird.
truck. It just made it worse.
Turn it on.
There's a negative day if you think about it.
And Bill Boy's back at it.
VV.